Hi guys! And for today's gala, andito po kami sa Nonoy's Bistro, located in Barangay Biak na Bato, Negros Occidental. Kami po guys ay nag-stop over muna kasama ang aking brother Lalu para kumain po kasi it's 11:30 na po in the afternoon or coming afternoon na po yan. So of course, gutom na po ang mga person at kumain po kami ng bok choy. At of course po, may siomai. At syempre, may french fries din po. And by the way guys, kasama din po pala namin si Jensen, which is alias Boy Wangkig. And you can follow him as well guys because he's always going with me. Especially guys, if I want to, visit new places that I want to show to you. And after that guys, so medyo gutom pa gamay ang person. So nag-order din kami ng nachos. And yeah, I hope nabusog ko ang aking kapatid at si Jensen. No? And after namin kumain guys sa Nonoy's Bistro, pumunta na po kami sa aming destination po talaga na aming pinagplanuhan. Charot ay. Walang plano-plano to guys. Kung saan dalhin ang mga paa guys, go! And it's my second time na guys na pumunta dito sa lugar na to. And yes, ito po ay isa sa spring resort na matatagpuan dito sa Barangay Kabakungan, Negros Occidental, which is Kaduhada Spring Resort. Yes guys, you heard it right, Spring Resort. At nung pumasok po kami guys, ang bumungad po sa amin ay ang napakaraming tao, or how we call this one, maraming tao po ang pumasyal for today's gala, no? It's because I believe that it's holiday, so walang pasok ang mga estudyante or walang pasok din po yung ibang nagtatrabaho. So as you can see naman guys, nag-enjoy talaga ang mga persons sa very clear water. At dahil curious ako guys, no? So tinignan ko kung saan talaga nanggagaling yung tubig. So ito pala guys yung tubod na tinatawag nila. At ito po guys ay mineral water. Yes guys, mineral water. So some of the people here guys ay dito po sila kumukuha ng tubig, no? Ito po ang ginagawa nilang inumin kasi malinis naman talaga guys. Oy. At as you can see naman, very clear talaga, no? Very clear ang water guys. Of nature, very nature kaayo siya guys. So I hope nga mag-enjoy ka mo guys sa amo ang video for today, and I hope sooner or later you will be able to visit this place. I assure you guys, ma-relax gyud ka mo, no? Especially if yung sobrang pagod or stress nyo sa trabaho nyo or sa buhay. Kaya ano pang inaantay you guys? Visit Kaduhada Spring Resort dito sa Barangay Kabakungan, Negros Occidental. Very affordable po guys yung entrance nila, which is 50 pesos. You can bring your own food guys. Pwede kayong mag-barbecue or yung mag-enjoy talaga guys ba. So nakita nyo naman guys, speaking of enjoy, nag-enjoy talaga si Brother Lalu, no? Ang aking kapatid, at si Dodong Jensen, which is alias Boy Wangkig. And after that guys, syempre, pauwi na po kami. Pero alam mo yun, yung feeling na gusto naming magkape kasi napagod kami sa kakalangoy. Busog pa kami guys. Sa dami ba naman ng kinain namin kanina. Pero napag-isipan namin guys na pumasyal muna at huminto dito sa nakita naming Ecotourism Cafeteria. Yes, at ito po ang bumungad sa akin guys. Alam nyo naman na napakahilig ko talaga sa nature. So nung nakita ko tong lugar na to guys, it really took my attention. So of course, kami ay nag-stop over din guys para magkape muna. Ang ganda guys, as in, yung mga huni ng ibon, very very relaxing. At syempre, dahil kami ay magkakape, so bit ko guys yung aming kape. Oy, 3 coffee yan guys. Tignan yung akin tiyan guys, ang laki na. O sayaw pa, sayaw mga choy. Yogs. And yes guys, so nag-enjoy talaga kami dito guys, and I'm really looking forward na kung gusto nyo pong magpasyal, mag-relax at may karaoke pa dito guys, no? So ano pang inaantay nyo? Visit Ecotourism Cafeteria located in Barangay Biak na Bato, Negros Occidental. And yes guys, so this is me again, Lakwat Charang Adventurer, and I'll make this video shorter for you to be able to enjoy and watch the full video. Guys, thank you so much for always supporting me, and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye!
I'm in love with the shape of you. We were staying in Paris. Despacito. You between my arms. Yeah. Tell me how did you get so?
Oh, thank you so much.